There's a powerful function called DATEDIFF in DAX and in Excel. The DATEDIFF function works out the difference between two dates and presents it either in a unit that you're happy with as days, weeks, months, years, or even hours, minutes, and seconds. So that's a very powerful function. And there's another function called today. If you need to compare a date against today, then use the today function. Now, a really good example of how the DATEDIFF function works and the today function works is if you go to the DIM customer query. If you go to the DIM customer query and you choose the date column, you'll see up in the formula bar that there's a good example of the use of the DATEDIFF. If the difference between the birth date and today's date converted to a year, that's what that's showing. So first of all, it does an if statement and it formats the birth date into just a month and a day. And if the birth date is less than today's month and day, then their age is the difference between today's date and their birth date in years. But if it compares the month and the day, and the month and the day of the birth date is actually not less than today's month and birth date, today's month and day, then it's actually the year minus 1. So there's a good example of the DATEDIFF. I'd actually like to create my own DATEDIFF function. And so I'm going to actually create a column that's called week wait. And I want to know how many weeks they have to wait between ordering something and it being due. So I'm not working with the customers table. I'm actually working with the internet sales table. So I'm going to go to internet sales. And in internet sales, if I scroll to the right, you'll eventually see the date it was ordered. There it is there, order date, and the date it was due. And I want to know what the difference is between these two dates in weeks. So I create a new column, and this new column I'm going to call weeks wait equals. And really what I'm wanting to do is I'm wanting to calculate the number of weeks that the customer has to wait between the order date and the due date. Shift enter. So I'm going to use date diff. And it says, what's your first date, comma, what's your second date, comma, and what interval do you want to use? Well, my first date is the order date. So I'm going to type order, and there's order date, comma. And the second date is the due date. So I'll type due, and there's the due date. So there's my first and my second date, comma, and then I get to choose the difference between those two dates in days, in hours, minutes, months, quarters, weeks, or years, or seconds. So I'm going to ask to show it in weeks and close the bracket and enter. And so the week wait will be either 2 weeks or 1 week. There's usually a 1 or 2 week wait between it actually being ordered and it being due. And if I hit the drop down, yeah, it's usually only 1 or 2 weeks. So that's an example of the DATEDIFF function, which is really good.